What's up, guys? I am back for another spooky Halloween video, except this one is a hack. Yep, I said it. Halloween hack. Ooh. Sorry, that was cheesy. But basically today I am going to be showing you, whether you are a kid or an adult, how you can make an amazing themed candy handout area. But there are 3 tips in order to do it. But that's all this video is for. So I'm going to show you how you can make a themed haunted Halloween house to hand out candy from. So without further ado, let's get into it. The first way to make your house spectacular is by candy. This video is really long, so just enjoy me speed drawing. So basically, first off, you need to focus on the candy aspect of your house. Cause I mean, like, what is Halloween without candy? Am I right? So, if you're going to focus on it, you're going to want a candy that reflects the theme of your house. Example, if you're doing an alien house, you might want to have Milky Ways or Mars bars. I know that's what I did for my science fair project, not to be dorky. Oh wait, no, I am making this really dorky. Cut! But another example would be, let's say you're doing a DuckTales theme house. Not like I watched that show. Anyway, stop. But if you're gonna do a DuckTales house, I recommend getting chocolate coins. Cause, you know, if you put 2 and 2 together, it just works. On to the next one. The next key for making your house spectacular is costumes. This one takes an extra long time, so I'll just leave the speed paint to this one. So the next great step in making your Halloween house for candy spectacular is just by wearing a costume. I mean, I personally have no dignity because, hey, I'm a 12-year-old in middle school. None of this is gonna matter in like 6 years, so. But if you want your house to look cool, you might want to have a theme with it as well. Example, if you're gonna do an alien house, I can't believe I'm doing this again. I'm just avoiding the DuckTales thing. I mean, Example, if you're doing an alien house, dress up as an alien. I'm doing a DuckTale house, so I'm gonna be dressing up as Scrooge McDuck. If you live in my neighborhood, you know who you are. Come stop by, please. So, next! The third and final step for your house is fright. Of course, this is optional, but still, it is fun, so have fun. Now the third and final step, which is optional, is fright. Now for those of you who are going to do a spooky house, you have to have some good frights in store. I recommend bringing a couple of friends over to help you if you're gonna do a haunted house. Also, charge. Nothing works like making money. Yeah. But continuing, so if you're gonna do it, I recommend using face paint, make crazy zombies, vampires, guys without heads. Also, if you'd like, you can make a fake table just cutting out a couple of holes in the table. And then just having there be heads on platters, and when people lift it up, it's the head. So yeah, if you're doing that for fun, yeah, that works. But I'm not doing a scary house. I'm just handing out candy and having a good time watching some old-fashioned horror movies. Or maybe just DuckTales. Yeah, I'm not hiding it anymore. I'm a DuckTales fanatic, so deal with that. Woo! So anyway, thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please like, subscribe, comment, hit notifications on what new videos you'd like to see. And stay tuned because later on Wednesday, you have a special horror trailer installed. Caution, for younger audiences, this trailer might be a little scary. So be sure to watch it with a grown-up. Unless you are grown up and you're too scared to watch it. In that case, then you're a chicken. Bye!